You bringing me a little present? Oh, don't get that in my shoe. Ooh. Ooh, you bringing us a present? We don't really want that present. You can go take that and eat that. We're glad you're getting rid of our mice, but... The cat is out here. Well, I don't think I need to totally record this mouse getting destroyed here, but you get the idea. The stray cat that's hanging around our house, it's definitely taking care of our mice. We found a dead squirrel outside a couple days ago. Now we got mice getting delivered to our doorstep. Caught it in the act. Crazy, crazy, crazy.